Implementing an AGV system into your facility is sort of like baking a cake. There are many steps in the process to achieve the final result of an efficient AGV system. And just like baking a cake requires a recipe where you gather ingredients and follow specific steps to bake it, implementing a custom AGV system into your warehouse operations demands precise planning, designing, installing, and testing. Today, we're going to talk about the big picture so you know what to expect when implementing AGVs into your operations. We're going to take a high-level approach, so we won't be deep diving into each part of the process in detail, or this video would be an hour long, and let's be honest, that's more of me than anyone needs. Alright, first let's talk about the planning phase of implementing an AGV system. Proper planning is necessary to ensure the system integrates smoothly with your existing infrastructure. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid blueprint to ensure everything fits together perfectly. AGVs need precise information to run accurately, just like a house needs a detailed architectural plan. And if you want the house to actually make sense, you need an experienced architect to create the blueprint. You would not want me doing it for you. Similarly, our team of AGV experts will guide you throughout each step of the planning phase to create a custom AGV fleet exactly for your operations. During the planning phase, it's important to assess existing infrastructure, including warehouse management systems, material handling equipment, and other IT systems, to ensure that the AGV system integrates smoothly with these technologies. It's also crucial to evaluate throughput, the paths AGVs will take through a facility, how AGVs will be dispatched, material flow, and your goals for implementing an AGV system. This big picture approach ensures that each component is addressed when building a custom AGV system. Next comes the design phase. During this time, the mobile robot vehicles and the system structure are designed and built. At America in Motion, we design our AGV systems with our customers, giving each customer the exact features they need, both with the AGVs themselves and the system structure running behind the scenes, telling the vehicles what to do. This collaborative process ensures the AGV system is tailored precisely to each customer's needs, resulting in a highly customized and efficient mobile automation solution. Next, we move on to installation and testing. Installing an AGV system requires careful setup and testing to ensure proper function and integration with other systems. This step is crucial because it verifies that the AGVs can communicate effectively with your warehouse management system and other technologies. It's like setting up a new computer network. You need to ensure all devices are connected and communicating properly. This part of the process takes time, generally several weeks. It's also a great opportunity for your team, who will be working closely with the AGV system, to learn the ins and outs, ask questions, and better understand the new structure of the facility with this added technology. Implementing an AGV system is not something that happens overnight. From planning and designing the AGV system to installing and testing, it is a process that takes months. However, it's worth it in the long run because the benefits of automating warehouses are substantial. Just like the benefits of hiring an actual architect who knows what they're doing is going to lead to better results. If you're considering AGVs, now is the time to take action. By following these steps with a team of AGV experts by your side, you can integrate AGVs seamlessly into your operations and achieve significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reach out to our team using the link below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Happy automating!